It's a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. There's so much room in this Traverse that those driving the competitors' cars are filled with cargo envy. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Rear park assist, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, V6 engine, front heated bucket seats, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, Chevrolet MyLink external memory control, active grille shutters, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. This from Kelley Blue Book, offering the roominess of a traditional SUV but car-like handling and better fuel economy. There's a lot to like about crossover SUVs in general and the Traverse in particular. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.